Hey guys, today we're going to talk about what are called polynomials. So a polynomial, remember poly means many or more than one. Okay, so polynomial, poly means many or more than one. Okay, so a polynomial is an expression consisting of many terms. The terms may have exponents of positive, whole, counting numbers. Okay, so you can have an exponent of 0. You cannot have negatives. So no negatives, no fractions, no variables, or no radicals. And when I say you can't have any of these are as exponents. Read that. But that means is here, you see here we have a 2 as an exponent. Here we have x as an exponent. So the 2 is okay, the x is not. So we're going to say has a variable So variable is a letter, right? So x as an exponent. All right. Here for number 8, or for the number 8, technically this is x to the 0 because x to the 0 is just 1, right? So the same 8 times 1 is just 8. So this is okay. However, this 3/4 you cannot have. So this has a fraction. A fraction as an exponent. All right, here we have good. Over here we have a -5. So this has a negative. As an exponent. And here, the radical here is okay. The radical on top of the x is not okay. So this is a radical exponent. So that square root sign with the x you can't have. All right, so let's see. Well, hopefully you can read my writing. So the variable, the fraction, and negative, and radical you can't have. All right. So if we're going to classify a polynomial by the number of terms it has, we need to know what a term is. So a term is separated by a plus, which is plus or minus sign. Okay? So if it has one term, it's a monomial. If it's two, binomial. So mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3, and poly is many. Okay? So for example, x, there's no pluses or minuses, so you have one term. So we call that a monomial. Here you have x squared and you have -7. So that is 2 terms. So that is a binomial. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So that is a polynomial. Okay, so that's how you classified by the number of terms. So you guys are going to try these. So you try. And then come find the answer key. All right, and we'll see how you did. So good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.